Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we'll learn the answers from biology part from question number 147 to 160 in NTSC competitive exam in the part of SAT in the year of 2019. 147, question number 147. When exposed to sunlight, parenchyma cells may develop chloroplast are known as. Exposed to sunlight, the parenchyma cells may develop chloroplast and are known as chlorenchyma. So option third one is the right one, chlorenchyma. Next, question number 148. Give the correct equation of photosynthesis. We are studying from the lower class. It's a very easiest one. This is the second option, carbon dioxide, water, light. So instead of the photosynthesis, you can understand as a light, chlorophyll. So together forms or products is carbohydrate and or glucose and oxygen. So second one is the right option. Then question number 149. In some bacteria outside the cell wall, there is an additional simply protective layer called capsule made up of polysaccharides. So option third one is the right answer. In some bacteria outside the cell wall, there is an additional simply protective layer called capsule made up of polysaccharides. So option third one is the right answer. Question number 150. Which is wrong about the adaptation of hydrophytes? So wrong statements we have to find out. Air chambers provides mechanical support to plant. அதாவது காற்றறை பைகள் வந்து மெக்கானிக்கல் சப்போர்ட் கொடுக்குது தாவரத்துக்கு, அதனால் இது வந்து கரெக்ட். ஃப்ளோட்டிங் லீவ்ஸ் ஹேவ் ஷார்ட் லீஃப் ஸ்டாக். மிதக்கும் லீவ்ஸ் வந்து ஷார்ட் லீஃப் ஸ்டாக், அதாவது குட்டையான இலைக்காம்பு இருக்குன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. இது தவறு. திஸ் இஸ் ராங். ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் ஆர் போர்லி டெவலப்டு. அதாவது ஹைட்ரோஃபைட்ஸ், இந்த நீர் தாவரங்களுக்கு வேர் வந்து நீண்டு இருக்காது. எனவே கம்மியாக இருக்கிறதுனால, வேரோட டெவலப் வந்து கம்மியாக இருக்கிறதுனால இது சரி. அடுத்து, சப்மர்ஜ்டு லீவ்ஸ் ஆர் ப்ராட் அண்டு பிக். நீரில் மூழ்கப்பட்ட இலை வந்து அகன்ற இருக்கும், ப்ராடாக இருக்கும், பெருசாக இருக்கும். இது வந்து தவறு. ஸோ அக்கார்டிங் டு திஸ் த ராங் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸ் பி அண்டு டி. ஸோ ரைட் ஆப்ஷன் இஸ் second one, B and D only. Question number 151. Ayush refers to the systems of medicines of. Ayush in the sense Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha. So Unani, Siddha, Ayurveda. All of these represents Ayush. So answer is all of the above. So option fourth one is right answer. Question number 152. Father of plant anatomy, Nehemiah Grew, Robin Hill, Sachs, Colliker. Father of plant anatomy is Nehemiah Grew. First one is the right answer. Question number 153. This is assertion reason type. The opening and closing of the stomato is due to change in turgidity of the guard cell. Reason: evaporation of water in plants through stomato in leaves is called respiration. Assertion is right, reason also right, but this reason is not correct for assertion. So assertion is correct, but the reason does not explain A. This turgidity due to the concentration of potassium ions in the guard cell. But here explain about transpiration. So the assertion is correct, but reason does not explain. So according to that, option third one is the right answer. A is correct, but R doesn't explain A. Number 154. When leech attaches itself to the body of the host, continuous supply of blood is maintained by the presence of dash in its salivary glands. So in the salivary glands, the segregation substance is hirudin. Option third one is the right answer, hirudin. Number 155. Which acts as the pacemaker of the heart? So pacemaker of the heart is sinoatrial node. So simply you can call it as SA node. So option 2 is the right answer. Question number 156. Pick out the incorrect pair. So incorrect pair we have to find out. RH factor discovered by Landsteiner and Wiener. So this is correct one. This is correct pair. But the circulation of blood, AB blood group and Purkinje fiber, this everything is incorrect pair. So this is option 2 or 3 or 4. So this is 3 answers for this question. But this question in Tamil medium paper, தமிழ் மீடியத்தில் சரியான இணையை தேர்ந்தெடுன்னு கொடுத்துள்ளனர். சரியான இணை. ஆனால் இங்கு வந்து தவறான இணையை தேர்ந்தெடுன்னு கொடுத்துள்ளனர். எனவே தவறான இணை, அதாவது இன்கரெக்ட் பேர் என்பது 2, 3, 4 இது மூன்றுமே குறிக்கின்றது. அதாவது 2 அல்லது 3 அல்லது 4. ஆனால் பிக் அவுட் த கரெக்ட் பேர் என்ற கேள்வி கொடுக்கப்பட்டிருந்தால் முதல் மட்டுமே சரியான விடை. எனவே 156க்கு, அதாவது கொஷின் நம்பர் 156, the right answer is 2 or 3 or 4. Question number 157, find the hard one out. Jejunum, ileum, cecum, villi. This jejunum, ileum, villi observes the things in the presence of intestinal digestion, but cecum observes the materials after the completion of intestinal digestion. So this is during the digestion, the jejunum, ileum, villi absorbs the things, but cecum after the digestion in the intestinal absorbs the material. So that odd one is cecum. Option 3rd one is the right answer. Question number 158, functions of areolar connective tissues. Join skin to muscle. This is one of the functions of this tissue. Fills space inside organs. This one also one of the functions of this tissue. But C, provides shape to body and protects soft tissues and organs. This is skeletal system. So this is function of skeletal system. So this is not function of areolar connective tissues. Next, helps to repair tissue after injury. This one also functions of areolar connective tissue. So according to this, A, B, D is the right answer. So option 3rd one is the right answer. A, B, D only. Question number 159, match the following. Trypsum. So trypsum acts on protein. Amylase is break down starch into maltose. Bile, it converts fat into smaller droplets. Lipase used in the digest fat. So according to this, option 3rd one is the right answer. Number 160, which among the following has 3-chambered heart? Frog is the 3-chambered heart. Tiger, rat, fish, these are 4-chambered heart. So 3-chambered heart is frog. So option 3rd one is the right answer. Thank you, students.